Okay, just now I introduced from the production process. We can see I introduced the the fence panel. Then about the post, we can see we will purchase the raw materials plate, and then we have the machine to make it, to produce the pitch post. So from the machine, the production line, it will from the plate to like this pitch post. Okay, it's the production process of it. Then it's about when we finish the production, we need packing it. When we packing it, about the fence panel, normally we will packing it in the wooden pallet, and we will use the plastic film, the paper corner to protect the package, and then make it safety to your hands. And about the post, we will use the bubble film to packing it. It can box in the container, or it also can packing in the metal pallet. It's always okay. Okay, then it's the triangle bending fence matched with the pitch post. These two different sides, we can see the bigger one, pitch post, and this is the little one, pitch post. Next is this one. You can see it's the round post. It's the triangle bending fence matched with the round post. Okay. Then we can, from the fence panel, we can see the diameter of it. Popular is 4 millimeters. 4 millimeters or 5 millimeters, and the hole size is popular is 50 millimeters by 200 millimeters, and the height of the fence panel normally is 1.2 meters or 1.5 meters or 1.8 meters or 2 meters, and the length of it popular is 2 meters or 2.5 meters. Then about the fence panel, the surface treatment, it also have 3 types. The first one is the powder coated. About the powder coated, it's the galvanized wire welded then powder coated. For example, before coated, the wire diameter is 3.9 millimeters. After powder coated, it can reach 4 millimeters. So the coating thickness is about 0.1 millimeters. And the second one is the PE coated. About the PE coated, it's the galvanized wire welded then PE coated. For example, before coating, the wire diameter is 3.9 millimeters. After coating, it can reach 5 millimeters. So about the PE coated, the coating thickness, it's about 0.8 millimeters to 1 millimeters. Okay, and the third one is the hot dipped galvanized. About the hot dipped galvanized, it have two levels. The first one is normal zinc coating. The zinc spray is about 40 to 60 grams per square meters, and the second one is the high zinc coating. The zinc spray is about it can reach 230 grams per square meters. Okay, it's the surface treatment of the fence panel. Then we can see the post. About the round post, we can see the popular size of it is 48 millimeters, or the diameter popular is 48 millimeters or 60 millimeters. It's the popular size. And about the surface treatment of the post, it's the powder. The most popular is the powder coated. And then we can see if the triangle bending fence match with the round post, we will use like this plastic clamps. And these clamps we also can use it in the corner. We can see because it also have a hole in there, so we can make the fence panel in any degree. From this is a line or in the corner, all is okay. Okay, then about the post, we also have the anti-ring cap. You can see this different type. The anti-ring cap, it can effectively to prevent the water or the rain into the post. It can make the post anti-rust. And then the production process of this one. The raw material, firstly, still is purchase the raw materials, the wire and the tube, round tube, and then straighten the wire to like this. Then cut it to our need size. Use the welding machine to weld the horizontal wire and the vertical wire together. Then use the machine to make this curve. Okay, it's the fence panel. And then the post, the raw material post normally is 6 meters, and so we need to cut it to our need size, then make the surface treatment. Okay, then about the packing. The fence panel normally packing it in the wooden pallet and use the plastic film, the paper corner to protect it. The post normally use the bubble film to packing it. And then we can ensure it can safety to your hands. Okay, this one is the round post. It's the triangle bending fence matched with the round post. Then we can see the final one. We can see this one. This one is very similar with the round post. We can see, but it still have the difference. We can see it's not certainly round shape. We can see this post, we named it dovetail post. We can see it's a semicircle, and then there have a very little triangle shape. You can see. This post we named it dovetail post. Okay, about this one, firstly from the fence panel we can see. About the fence panel, the popular size also is the diameter, the 4 millimeters or the 5 millimeters, and the hole size is 50 millimeters by 200 millimeters. It's the most popular size. And then the quantity of the curves according the height of the fence panel. If the fence panel is 1.8 millimeters, normally we will suggest you make 3 curves in the fence panel. And if the height is higher than 2 meters, normally we will suggest you make 4 curves in the fence panel. Because this design, the curve design, it can make the fence panel more stronger and more decorative. Okay, this is the fence panel. And about the fence panel, it also have 3 types surface treatment. The P-coated, the powder-coated, and the hot-dipped galvanized. These 3 types. And about the post, it's only one kind of popular surface treatment. It's the powder-coated. Okay, and this one we also use like this round, plastic clamps, and use the screw to fix it. Okay, and this one we can see it's welded a round base. So if you don't like the base, also can bury the post in the ground. Okay, we can see about this one. We also have the anti-rain cap like this. You can see it's very similar with the round post. You can see it's matched with the dovetail post. You can see. Okay. Then welcome to our live show. Then today I introduced the triangle bending fence, and I introduced 5 types. The first one is the triangle bending fence matched with the square post. The second one is the triangle bending fence matched with the rectangle post. And the third one is the triangle bending fence matched with the pitch post. The third one is the triangle bending fence matched with the round post. And finally, it's the triangle bending fence matched with the dovetail post. Okay, if you still have any problem about the product, you can leave message to us, and we will contact you as soon as possible. And we also have many kinds of fence products, like the high security fence, the fence gate, and the chain link fence, the steel tubular fence, and many, and the temporary fence. So if you have any fence inquiry, you all can contact us. We will send you our catalog, and we will give you our professional advice. Okay, bye.